Lingportal Online School presents
Present Continuous Test. Are you ready to test your English skills in the present continuous tense? Stay sharp. Some questions are not as easy as they seem. Let's get started. Right now, we are watching a film at home. He is not wearing his glasses because they are broken. Look, the kids are swimming in the pool. Sam isn't doing his homework. He's playing video games right now. I am wearing my new dress for the party tonight. You can use my phone. I am not using it right now. Maria is getting better and doctors are optimistic about recovery. Is your brother watching TV right now? My sister is studying abroad this semester, so I miss her a lot. He is constantly lying on the sofa and complaining. Where is Tom working these days? I am meeting my best friend this evening. We have plans. How did you do? Share your scores in the comments. Keep practicing, and see you in the next lesson.